Good morning, everyone. Slide discussion. This is the image given to us for diagnosis. In this photo micrograph, we can see a parasite with irregularly shaped membranous folding along with multilayered cyst. Diagnosis: Cysticercosis. Introduction: Cysticercosis refers to tissue infection after exposure to eggs of Tinea solium, the pork tapeworm. This disease is spread via the oral route through contaminated food and water and is primarily a foodborne disease. After ingestion, the eggs pass through the lumen of the intestine into the tissue and migrate preferentially to the brain and muscles. The agent is Tinea solium, the pork tapeworm. The common larval stage of Tinea solium was also known as Cysticercus cellulose, which is the most infective form. Epidemiology: 50 to 100 million people infected worldwide. Endemic areas: Central and South America, India, China, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe. Tinea solium is the cause of 30% of epilepsy cases in endemic areas. In high-risk communities, it can be associated with as many as 70% of epilepsy cases. More than 80% of world's 50 million people who are affected by epilepsy live in low and lower middle income countries. Transmission: humans are Tinea solium reservoirs. The disease is transmitted by eating undercooked pork meal that contain viable cysticerci and large number of eggs which pass out in the feces. The condition is known as cysticercosis. Human being the definitive host and pigs are intermediate host. This is the image showing life cycle of Tinea solium. In this image we can see embryonated eggs or gravid proglottids ingested by normal intermediate hosts, that are pigs. After that, oncospheres hatch and penetrate intestinal wall and circulate to the musculature. These oncospheres develop into cysticerci. Humans acquire intestinal tapeworm infection via consumption of cysticerci in meat. Adult tapeworms are present in small intestines. Also, the embryonated eggs are directly ingested by human host. After that, oncosphere hatch and penetrate intestinal wall and circulate to musculatures. And cysticerci develop in any organ and most commonly in subcutaneous tissues, brain and eyes. Clinical manifestation: teniasis. It is mostly asymptomatic. The symptoms are abdominal pain, anorexia, weight loss, malaise. Cysticercosis or neurocysticercosis. In this, the symptoms are convulsions, chronic headaches, increased pressure in brain. It is the most serious form of the infection. Thank you.